the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. We buy the latest vehicles that are out. We tend to purchase vehicles that are 2019 or newer. SUVs, pickup trucks, you name it. So right now you're looking at a 2018 BMW M3. This is a competition series, and we'll go over the vehicle in a minute. Engine compartment's clean, no damage to the front. This is a collision vehicle. We'll go over the damage in a moment. Starts, it drives. Do a quick walk around. This one's a competition. This side's clean. Carbon fiber mirror covers. Carbon fiber roof. Somebody stole the wing from the auction. Like scavengers there. Steal anything that they can rip off. Unfortunately, but it is what it is. Part of the business. So this is the damage. You're gonna need a quarter panel skin. You're gonna need both side doors. You need a center post. You need the rocker panel as well. Fender and hood. Hood has some damage. You may be able to repair it. Headlight looks okay. You need a hinge post here as well. It's not into the roof. The roof looks okay. Hit low in the rocker. These doors are compatible with regular 3 Series. A lot of the body parts are the uniside, door post, rocker. Let's take a look inside. A nice interior. I think it had 18,000 miles. Nice seats. Carbon fiber trim. It's a manual, which is rare. I don't see too many of these later ones with manual transmission. No sunroof because it's a competition. Really nice inside. Probably curtain airbag is blown on that side, I'm going to assume, but the interior is really in good shape. Really nice. Whoever owned this car before kept it in good condition. Great builder. No pressure on the dash from the accident. It was hit low, which is good. And let's look at the floor. The floor has got a little pressure there. How to pull out when it goes on a frame machine. But it'll be a good builder for somebody. It'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.